Hey, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. This one might seem logical, but a lot of people really don't do it. If you're going to pitch the media, do your homework. Know exactly what that media outlet covers and how they cover it, whether it's television or newspapers or magazines, so that in your pitch you actually lay out the section that you could be in or how the segment would look on television. By doing that, it just puts you light years ahead of your competition, and it makes it that much easier for the media outlet to say yes. When you've done the homework and you've shown the work and you show how it's a perfect fit, so just make sure you take those extra few minutes, watch some segments if you want to be on a particular television show. Read the magazine, look at some old copies, really know your newspaper, radio, podcast, whatever it is, do your homework, and it will really help you getting more media coverage. And if you like this tip and you want more, please join the PR Challenge. It's yourprchallenge.com. Give me 10 minutes a day for 10 days, and I guarantee that we will up-level your visibility for your company. So I hope you'll join us, and I will see you on the inside.